What if you could read a 300-page book or analyze a 2-hour lecture in just 5 minutes? Today, you will learn the exact AI workflow to download knowledge directly into your brain. No more struggling through dense PDFs, getting bored during long lectures, or feeling overwhelmed by information. We are living in an era where artificial intelligence can act as your personal super tutor, and the best part is, you can do all of this for free. If you want to study smarter, work faster, and stay ahead of the curve, you are in the right place. Let us dive into the 3 simple steps to supercharge your learning. First up, let us tackle the giant pile of documents, articles, and PDFs you have been meaning to read. Instead of spending hours squinting at your screen, we are going to use a free tool like Claude or ChatGPT. Go ahead and upload your PDF directly into the chat. But do not just ask it to summarize the document. That is a beginner mistake. If you just ask for a summary, you will get a generic, boring list of bullet points. Instead, use this specific prompt. Tell the AI, act as an expert teacher in this field. Give me a high-level overview of the main arguments. List the 3 most critical takeaways, and explain them using simple analogies that a 10-year-old can understand. This completely changes the output. Suddenly, dry academic text turns into an engaging, easy-to-understand story. You can even ask follow-up questions. If a concept seems confusing, just ask the AI to give you a real-world example. It is like having a private conversation with the author of the paper. Next, let us talk about video. We all love learning from YouTube and online courses, but sitting through a 2-hour lecture can be tough. What if you could extract all the gold in under 3 minutes? For this, we are going to use a free browser extension like YouTube Summary with ChatGPT or a dedicated tool like Harpo AI. These tools instantly extract the entire transcript of any video with a single click. Once you have the transcript, paste it into your favorite AI tool and ask it to find the core message, list the practical steps mentioned, and create a quick study guide. You do not even have to watch the video to know if it is worth your time. If the summary looks incredibly valuable, you can jump straight to the exact timestamp of the most important part. This saves you hours of scrubbing through fluff and introductions, letting you focus only on the high-value information. Now, what about entire books? If you want to learn the core concepts of a famous business or self-help book, you do not need to spend 10 hours reading it cover to cover. Instead, use ChatGPT or Gemini to synthesize the book for you. Start by asking the AI to explain the core thesis of the book. Then, ask it to outline the main framework the author uses. To make this truly practical, use this prompt. What are the top 5 actionable habits or rules from this book that I can implement in my daily life starting today? This turns theoretical knowledge into immediate action. You get the distilled wisdom of a 300-page book in a format you can actually use. Of course, if a book is absolutely life-changing, you should still read it. But this AI method lets you quickly filter through dozens of books to find the ones truly worth your time. Learning does not stop at summarizing. The real secret to learning 10 times faster is active recall. Once the AI gives you the summary, ask it to quiz you. Tell the AI to generate 5 multiple-choice questions based on the material and grade your answers. This locks the information into your brain so you actually remember it. By combining smart summaries with active testing, you will master any subject in record time. If you found this quick workflow helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple, practical AI tips. Leave a comment below telling me what you are going to learn first. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.